Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am marking the start of a new playlist, which is the HTML playlist or the hypertext markup language. So basically we use HTML for creating a basic web page which we edited later on with CSS. So HTML is a format or a language that tells the computer how to display a web page. For example, if you see YouTube or anything else, so that tells the computer how to display a web page that is created through the process of HTML. So the next is an HTML file. When you save it, for example this, so if I right click on it and do the properties, you will see that .html is mentioned here. So in order to make any file an HTML file, you have to put the .html or .html extension. So basically, now what are HTML tags? So these are the tags which are used in the file to create things like a paragraph, a hyperlink, an image, heading, and many more things. So that was a basic web page created by me, and you will also be able to create it after 2 to 3 lectures. So basically HTML tags come in pairs like this and this, and they are surrounded by the lesser than and the greater than sign. So the first tag in the pair is the starting tag, and the last tag is the ending tag. And these tags are case sensitive, these tags are not case sensitive, which means that if you write a small letter or a capital letter, it will mean the same. So now let us look at some tags. So basically the HTML tag. So HTML tag is used to create the start of a web page. So basically without HTML tag you can't start a web page. So the next tag is head tag, which is also known as the header tag. So the header tag contains more tags such as title tag, link tag, and etc. So the title tag gives the web page a title. For example, if you see web page evolution number 1, you can see here. So it is done by the tag title. So the next tag is the body tag. So this tag represents the document's body. So this tag is basically containing all the matter present inside your web page. For example, the heading tag, the paragraph, image, hyperlink, audio, video, and almost all the things which you can see in the web page is present under the body tag. So the next tag is the H tag, which is also known as the heading tag, and in this n is a variable which has the value from between 1 to 6, and they contain different sizes. For example, if you type H1, it will contain the biggest size of heading, whereas if you type H6, it will contain the heading of the smallest size. So the next tag is the P tag. This tag is used to create a paragraph. So basically, if you see this tag, this thing, my name is Ritvik, here is a music. So this is created by the use of the HTML tag, by the paragraph tag, So the next tag is BR tag. It is used to insert a new line. Its full form is break tag. So the next 3 and the last tags are the bold, italics, and underline tag, which are done by the B, I, and U respectively. So, and one more last tag which I would like to introduce in this video itself is the BG color and text. So this BG color and text is present inside the body tag. For example, if you type the body tag, it will, if you want to change the background color, you will type BG color and it will be present inside the body tag. And if you want to change the text also, it will be also present inside the body tag with the text written. So how to create web pages? So first step is to click start, and we will not go there. straight away you can open notepad and type this code, but I prefer to use Visual Studio Code, which is here. Okay, so this is, let me tell you how to create an HTML file. So straight away you can just type the heading or the title or the name of the file. So I think I will type here lecture1.html. As you can see, when we put the enter, here it comes like this. So if you see, I'll just type the doc type HTML, and next what you need to do is put the exclamation mark. The moment you click enter, it will give a basic web page, and so you need to delete the line 5 to line 7. It is of no use actually. And so this is a basic web page. So I'll just tell you by entering the paragraph tag, and whenever you put the p tag, it just gives you the ending tag as well with it. Let's type that hello, I am a web page created by Ritwik. So now you can save it, and before running it, what you have to do is to go to the extensions and search live server. So when you search the live server, you have to click here, which is created by Ritwik Day, and you need to just install it. It's already installed for me. Just click on the install and wait for it to get installed. It will be enabled by itself. So come back to your code and just right click anywhere on this page and go to the bottom and click open with live server. The moment you click it, it will open the web page. As you can see, here is the port lecture1.html, and it says hello, I am a web page created by Ritwik. As you can see here, it is written document over here, and you can see the title tag. So I think you have understood the meaning of head tag, title tag, the body, and the paragraph tag. So now let's edit the background color. So what you have to do is to edit the body tag, and what you have to type is body bg color equals to red, and then what you have to type is text equals to green. Now just you have to save it and just refresh. You don't even need to actually refresh it, it just refreshes by itself. So now what I have told is in this video is what is the use of HTML tag. It is used to mark the start of a web page, the head tag, which consists of the title tag, the head tag, the body tag, the paragraph tag. So let me tell you one last thing of aligning the paragraph tag. So what you have to type is p align is equal to center, control S, and the moment you go there, you can see it's now in the center. One more thing, and the last thing which I would like to add here is the heading tag. So what you have to do is just type h1 and type my web page. Okay, now you have to save it, and you can see it's present here. So for putting it in center, what you have to do is just put the center tag, and these are not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter. So I'll just put it here, and save it, and as you can see, this heading has come in the center. So I hope you have understood all the concepts explained to you in this video. The notes are present below and a practice question as well. So if you have enjoyed the video and understood something new, like the video and subscribe. That's all for this video.